Alright guys, so just got out of work and came home to my visors, my rain visors that I'm going to be installing on my 2015 Honda Civic. It's a little bit dirty, I know. It's my work car. And then the rear windshield diffuser, whatever it's called. And yeah, we're gonna be installing these bad boys on the Mamaluna. Alright guys, so we got it down and prep right where we want it. So before you install it, you're gonna want to clean the windshield, make sure it's clean. So what I'll be using is a wet rag. Then I'll run it down with some rubbing alcohol, and yeah, then we'll install it. Alright guys, so it was too hot outside. We came in the garage next to Mamaluna. So we got the surface all cleaned up now, nice and clean. Now it's time for part two. Take off the plastic and slam it on. Got my little brother helping me. Say what's up, Ivan.
What's up?
Let's get it.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so there we have it. The rear window diffuser visor thing. Now we're gonna be installing these rain guards right here. And yeah, this is the before. So we got the visors installed, got them pretty flush on. I like the way it came out. Lined it up pretty well. So yeah, that's what they look like. Now I'm gonna go do the passenger side right now. The fitment was pretty good. Just line up the trim, just follow it through. Boom. Right there, lines up. What it looks like. Watch out, Ivan. Yep. Pretty clean. I like it. Pretty satisfied. You know, it gives it that little, I don't know, it just adds a nice look to it. And yeah. Well, more things coming. Stay tuned, guys.